So this is for kind of the young designers out there, or even maybe experienced ones. When it shows, what are we doing by throwing every sound possible at you at once? And I'm going back to that coordination of the audio thing. So I have, and Chris knows this already. I have two children who are deaf, and so we have. If we go to a theater and we go to a play or a musical, my child knows exactly what to focus on based on the spotlights and the lighting fixtures and things like that and that design. So the analogous point to the music is that make it obvious what you want us to listen to. It's not always based on staging of the visual, but sometimes we'll be like, okay, here's like this mellophone feature, and then all of a sudden there's this like bass drum going in behind. I'm like, why are we doing that? Like, save that. Or it's a situation where because we don't have a snare feature with the trumpets in the background playing, or digital effects or so. It's just make sure it's obvious what you want us to listen to and thin everything else out. So just be careful about not throwing too much at us so we can really make sure we can appreciate your production.